In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Right now, we're on the PayPal mobile app. You can see I have a PayPal balance at the top and a crypto balance. My crypto balance is currently 0. What we want to do is go to the Finances tab on the bottom of the screen. Up at the top, it'll show you your balance, your savings, which mine is going to be 0. And then crypto, which is also 0. And you can now use PayPal for PayPal USD, which is their stablecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To buy the crypto, you're typically going to use your PayPal balance here. And this is the same balance that you can transfer back and forth from your bank. So let's go to the crypto tab and tap buy. We can then select which crypto we want to buy. I'm gonna click on Bitcoin. By the way, you don't get the best rates or anything using PayPal. It's not efficient, but you can use it to buy Bitcoin. If you're looking for better rates and stuff like that, check out the other videos on my channel. I also recommend Strike app. I'm just gonna buy $1 for this example, then hit next. Choose that I want to buy this from my balance. It'll say you're buying 0.00002874 Bitcoin. It'll give me the current rate, which is a worse rate than the current price. So you're already losing money there. And then a 49-cent transaction fee on $1. So you're losing a lot of money there, but I'm just doing this for an example. So I'll tap buy now. Congratulations on your Bitcoin purchase. You now own 0.00002875 Bitcoin. We can send you a notification when the price changes by 5% or more. Turn on. I'm going to tap not now. Let's go back. So there we have it. I now have a crypto balance. From here I can buy more, I can sell my balance, and I should be able to send this to another wallet as well. Definitely subscribe to the channel and I'll do more videos for how to manage your crypto on PayPal. Hope you found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.